Hi guys, today I would like to talk about a street food in Saigon that I really like. It is fried rice flour cake.
Rice flour cake. What is that?
Vietnamese name is Bánh bột chiên.
Chiên, all right.
Have you ever tried this?
I think I did.
No. Yes. Fried rice flour cake is a dish of Chinese origin, introduced into Vietnam, and it is a popular snack. Fried rice flour cake in Vietnam is mainly made and sold by Chinese-born Vietnamese. So it is not much different from the original. Fried rice flour cake is made by mixing rice flour and tapioca flour.
Tapioca.
Yes, with water and steaming them for 30 minutes. When they cooked, they look like a big cake. The next step is to cut the big cake into bite-sized pieces.
Yeah, bite-sized.
Yes, like the size of dominoes.
What? I'm sorry, Domino's.
Do you know dominoes?
Domino.
Dominoes.
A domino. Oh yeah, a domino. You prepared it.
Domino.
All right. Okay. Domino chess, huh?
Yes. The size of this dish is like the size of dominoes. And then fry them. When they are golden and crispy, crack an egg onto them and spread it evenly. Sprinkle a little chopped green onions on top to complete the dish. Yes, fried rice flour cake is served with pickled papaya and carrot.
Yeah, that sounds good.
The dipping sauce is also very important.
Yeah, very important. Yes.
It decides a great part of how delicious this dish is.
How come? How so? How so?
How delicious this dish is.
But how so? How so? This sauce, dipping sauce, plays a important role in how good they are to the customer. How so?
How so?
Yeah, như thế nào? For example, you have to give us some example. Okay, okay, you go for it. Go ahead. Go next.
Yes. This dish is quite easy to make, so I make it several times for my family.
Several times a day, or a week, or a year?
Several times a month.
Oh, several times a month.
Yes. However, it is not as crisp as they made
in the street.
Because they use a large cast iron pan set on the stove with very high heat. So that the cake is crispy outside and still soft inside.
Wow, so good. It's like eating something like crispy outside and soft inside. Oh, that is yes. Mother. That is mommy. Oh, so good.
Yes, but at home I didn't can make it like
you couldn't
like
make
outside.
it. You couldn't make it like it was so not it was so in the street. That is a sentence. I couldn't make as good as it sold in the street.
Yes.
That's a 10 sentence. Can you repeat that?
I couldn't make it as good as they sold in
street.
strict.
Yes. Okay, that's good.
Yes, thank you. But my family still complimented me and asked me to make it again and again until they were eaten it outside by the two chefs.
Until they were in, they go out and eat. So okay.
Yes,
I feel like you are the one. You are a victim here.
if you come to Saigon, this dish is definitely a must try.
A must try. Yeah.
Thank you for listening.